How to hide the Instagram live stream from someone. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide the Instagram live stream from someone. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram on your device. So if you've already done so, then simply open your Instagram application. After you open your Instagram application, log into your account. After logging to your account, tap on the top profile icon. So after you tap on there, you will go on the home page. So here you need to tap on the three vertical dots on the top right side, lines on the top right side. Scroll down and you will see the very option of hide story and live. Now you can choose the person you want to hide your story or live stream from, and after you choose them, you can simply open your story or live stream and the person won't be able to see your live stream or your story as well. So yes, that's how we can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.